Hey guys, it's Jalal here, and today we're gonna be doing the unboxing of the Samsung 970 EVO SSD M.2 NVMe. So it comes in different storage capacities ranging from 250 gigabytes up to 2 terabytes. This one is 500 gigabytes. It is the form factor M2, which can connect to the port PCI Express, and it's faster than the M2 which connects to the SATA cable, because in that case the SATA cable is actually a bottleneck for the speed of the SSD. And these two are obviously even faster than the SSDs which were released a few years ago and which are more similar in form or in size to the good old magnetic hard drives. So Samsung says that the sequential read speed of this SSD here is about 3,500 megabytes per second, and the sequential writing speed is about 2,500 megabytes per second. Let's now move to the unboxing of this SSD, which is the VNAND SSD 970 EVO NVMe M2, NVMe for non-volatile memory express, and M2 for the form factor. This 970 series comes after the 960 series, which was the leader in the market with super high speed in both writing and reading, but this 970 pushes the bar even higher. There is also the 970 Pro, which is a bit faster than the EVO, but in a negligible way, and you have to pay a much higher price tag. So the ratio price to performance from EVO to Pro is not worth it. I've been using it for the last 2 to 3 weeks, and I can tell you guys that this SSD is a monster. I can boot my computer, which has Windows 10, in around 4 seconds, from the moment I click on the on button to the moment I have my desktop ready. The same goes for applications and software such as Adobe Premiere Pro. It starts up in around 3-4 seconds. Everything is super fast. Data transfers, games, anything. Here we see the SSD itself, and it's actually a form factor M.2 2280, which means it has 22 millimeters in width and 80 millimeters in length, because there is another form factor M.2 2242, which has only 42 millimeters in length. On the right side we can see the port which connects to the PCI Express, and which is different from the port that a SSD SATA has. And on the left side, the hole for the screw which is used to stabilize the SSD on the motherboard. This front sticker here is on top of the controller, and the controller is coated with nickel, which with the heat spreader enables great heat dissipation. In the box we also have a user guide which shows you how to connect or to plug the SSD onto the motherboard. It starts with speaking about the 2.5 inches SSDs. And then shows you the difference between SATA SSDs and the NVMe SSDs. So in order to plug it in to the motherboard, you just need to insert it with an angle of around 30 or 40 degrees, push it straight, and then lower it down, and finally secure it with the screw. That's it guys for today. I hope you found the video useful. If you have enjoyed it, you can press the like button. If not, you don't have to. And if you like this kind of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next one.